5 unusual fruits to lower blood sugar. You've never tried. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for those with diabetes or pre-diabetes. While there are many common fruits known for their blood sugar lowering properties, such as berries and apples, there are also some lesser-known fruits that can be just as effective. Here are 5 unusual fruits that you've probably never tried, but can help in lowering blood sugar levels. 1. Jambal Java plum. Jambal, also known as the Java plum, is a fruit native to India. This purple fruit has been used in traditional medicine for centuries due to its numerous health benefits. Why it's beneficial. Antioxidants. Jambal is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Blood sugar regulation. The fruit contains compounds that can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. How to enjoy. Eat jambal fresh. Use its juice and seeds in various recipes. 2. Chayote vegetable pear. Chayote, sometimes referred to as the vegetable pear, is often mistaken for a vegetable due to its savory taste. This fruit is low in carbs and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for blood sugar control. Why it's beneficial. Low carbs. Chayote is low in carbohydrates, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. High fiber. The high fiber content aids in slowing down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. How to enjoy. Eat it raw in salads. Steam or stir-fry it as a side dish. 3. Bignay Queensland cherry. Bignay, also known as the Queensland cherry, is a tropical fruit that is packed with health benefits. This small, round fruit is known for its high levels of antioxidants and its ability to help lower blood sugar. Why it's beneficial. Antioxidants. Bignay is rich in antioxidants that help protect the body from free radicals. Blood sugar control. The fruit has properties that assist in lowering blood sugar levels. How to enjoy. Eat Bignay fresh. Make it into jams or use it in smoothies. 4. Lucuma egg fruit. Lucuma, often called the egg fruit due to its unique texture, is a natural sweetener with a low glycemic index, making it perfect for diabetics. Why it's beneficial. Low glycemic index. Lucuma helps in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Nutrient-rich. It is rich in beta-carotene, iron, and fiber. How to enjoy. Use lucuma powder as a sweetener in your desserts and smoothies. 5. BR Indian jujube. BR, also known as Indian jujube, is a small, round fruit that is a nutritional powerhouse. It has been used in traditional medicine for its health benefits. Why it's beneficial. High fiber. Bear's high fiber content aids in slowing the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. Beneficial compounds. It contains compounds that help in managing blood sugar levels. How to enjoy. Eat bear fresh, consume it dried, or make it into a refreshing tea. And there you have it. 5 unusual fruits that can help you lower your blood sugar levels. Have you tried any of these before? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Habits for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.